Mamas, Alexandria here. So I am as basic as they come, and it's fall, so that means pumpkin spice latte season. But of course, being me, I love protein and making things healthier and fit better in my calorie budget. So what better place to do that than with a pumpkin spice latte of sorts? This isn't quite a latte based on the definition of a latte. This is more of a like pumpkin spice protein fluffy coffee, technically speaking, because it has coffee, but you could make it a little bit differently if you wanted to. So today I'm going to share that with you, and we're going to do a little taste test. So if you are ready, let's do it. My preference is to add dry ingredients first. I'm trying the filming my face. We'll see how we feel about this. You'll have to let me know if you just want to see my hands and the ingredients. So I'm just going to use a cute little fall coffee mug. I think this came from Walmart many moons ago. So I'm going to use the Ghost whey protein powder. This has 140 grams of 140 calories and 25 grams of protein in it, and this is the pumpkin, where are you, friend? There it is, the pumpkin pie flavor. So I'm gonna take a quarter of a scoop of this. Gonna have to kind of guesstimate on this, but okay, so got about a quarter of a scoop. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Got about a quarter scoop. I don't dry ingredients or like the mixings in first, but that's a personal preference. You can do it however you like. And I think I did the math on this, and this has around 45 calories, if I'm remembering correctly. Then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of the Silk Almond Milk Pumpkin Spice Creamer. And then I'm gonna take a tablespoon of this pumpkin spice skinny syrups. I think this comes in a different like container now. I should probably get a new one of these. Sorry guys, I am not a cooking channel and it shows, but your girl is doing her best. All right, now we're gonna go make a large K-cup of coffee. So let's do that. And now that everything is in there, we're gonna use our little stirry thingy. I think I got this on Amazon because I buy everything on Amazon. Now we're gonna blend it. Alrighty, she's done. Okay, anyway, so this is it, guys. I mean, that's all there is to it. It's really good. It's a little sweet. It's not pumpkin spice latte sweet. It's a little sweet. It's about 60 calories, and you get 6 grams of protein, which is not a ton of protein, but when you think about how many grams of protein you need in a day, if you're doing like a pound per like your goal weight or the weight that you are. So I mean, if I need 100 grams of protein today, like the 6 certainly isn't gonna hurt, and it's pumpkin season, so I love it. All right, friends, that was it. And if you enjoyed this, YouTube should be recommending something to you somewhere on the screen that they think that you will enjoy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.